Displate is a global e-commerce platform where content creators have a new way to sell their designs and where everyone can buy uncommon magnet-mounted metal prints with graphics they love. The company cooperates with such big brands like Star Wars, Marvel, DC Comics, and Hearthstone, Blizzard. The growing number of customers and expansion into new markets necessitated the development of applications and thus the expansion of the existing cloud infrastructure. As a result, the infrastructure required increasing involvement of specialists, whose task was to maintain, monitor, and take care of its proper functioning. For Internet business, it was a huge challenge because it was necessary to ensure smooth and uninterrupted operation of the environment at all times. In response to the requirements set by the client, security, high SLA, and application availability 24/7, we offered our services in the form of administrative support. This means a guarantee of solving the problem with the response time specified in the contract. In addition, having extensive experience in building IT infrastructures for e-commerce customers, we proposed several changes related to the management itself and additional DevOps services to increase the efficiency of processes and the quality of created solutions. One of the first actions undertaken for Displate was to prepare the migration of services to their counterparts in Amazon Web Services. Within the framework of the provided remote administration service, we conduct a systematic development of the customer's servers. During our cooperation, the infrastructure grew from 2 to 54 servers. In cooperation with the Displate programmers, several solutions were implemented that increase the efficiency of development of new versions of the application. These include the separation of application layers, decoupling, separation of development and production environments by introducing dev and UAT environments, or automation of application publishing based on AWS code deploy and Bitbucket pipelines. In order to achieve high HA, we applied horizontal scaling through an auto-scaling group, whose task is to monitor the application and automatically respond to increasing or decreasing requirements. Taking into account the global nature of Displate's e-commerce business and the customer's importance to the speed of loading their applications, we have also implemented a CDN, Content Delivery Network, to make static content load faster for end users while increasing the security of applications against DDoS attacks. Thanks to the cooperation of Hostersi, Displate can now guarantee its security and business continuity 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Thanks to the implemented deployment tools, the process of publishing the new version of the application is now much faster and more secure. The efficiency of infrastructure management processes has also increased, and one of its tangible effects is the readiness of the environment for a sudden surge in user traffic during seasonal sales like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Hostersi, cloud and server experts.